Hi, welcome to Otitarfat TV. Thank you for stopping by. We're going to be making coconut oil today. I'm going to show you how I make my own coconut oil in the comfort of my kitchen. But before we start, if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so. When you click on the subscribe button, there's a bell by the side. Please click on it so that anytime new videos come up, you'll be one of the first to know. And don't keep this video to yourself. Please share it to as many people as possible so that they can know how to make their own coconut oil. So you're going to use a blunt object to open up your coconut. You break it. You can either use a hammer or you can use the back of a machete. Whatever you can use to break open your coconut, you do that. When you open it up, there's some water. Most of them have water in them. So you can separate, keep the water separately to use for something else. I use mine in smoothies, or sometimes I just drink it like that. So you break open your coconut and then try gently, carefully separate the meat from the shell. Okay, like this. You keep this aside. Now I'm going to be using 10 coconuts for this, so I'm going to do the rest off camera. Okay, this is your coconut meat. So what you do is cut it up into small pieces. You can use the chopping board if you want, but I find this is faster for me. Here's our coconut. You cut it up into small bits, put it in a blender, put some water and blend it. But since I'm going to be making a large batch, I'm using 10 medium-sized coconuts. So I'll just take mine to the mill, which is near my house, and grind it up. Here's our blended coconut. So what I'm going to do is use a cheesecloth like this, so that we can strain it and squeeze it to get the cream. So I'm going to do this. So this is how we squeeze the milk, the coconut cream. Squeeze as hard as you can to extract the cream. So I'm going to do this until this is all finished. Okay, this is the coconut cream from 10 coconuts. I actually put a little more water and squeezed because I felt there was still some cream left. You can do that if you want to. So now I'm going to just cover this overnight, allow it to ferment. So this is the next morning. We're going to open this up and see. Woo. Now it has been very hot lately. Depending on how the weather is where you are, you might see it's just a plain surface with curd, but you can see that mine has the oil already up. This is the curd here, and this layer is the oil, the coconut oil. You can see how it looks. So I'm going to scoop this up into the pan. The bottom layer is just water, so when you're scooping, be careful not to scoop water in. We're going to scoop this up and put it on fire. Okay, so we're going to now put this on fire over very low heat. We don't want to burn this. The heat should be very low. Here it is on fire on very low heat. Please don't be tempted to increase the flame. Just leave it like this and you'll be stirring once in a while. Don't just stand there and keep stirring. Just leave it and be stirring once in a while. We'll be checking up on it. Okay. Just stirring to make sure it doesn't stick, but this is a non-stick pan, so I don't have that problem. But just stir your own occasionally. You can see the oil is beginning to separate from the curd. The oil is almost ready. You can see. Down. I'm going to turn off the heat now. I don't allow it to get very brown, because when it gets really brown, the color of the coconut oil gets brown too, and I don't like that. So this is how I achieve my clear colored coconut oil. This is it here. So I'll turn off the heat, let it cool for a while before I scoop up the oil and then strain. So this, you have your coconut oil, very healthy, packed with antioxidants. Make sure your cloth is clean. Make sure there's no moisture in whatever you're using. If your cloth is not clean, the oil will go rancid quickly. So here is our coconut oil. Here's our coconut oil. You can use it for your hair, you can use it for your skin, you can use it to cook. It is very good. I hope you got to enjoy this recipe. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and if you're already a subscriber, thank you for coming back. Until next time, see you. Bye.